Okay, so today we are going to unbox the Rode mic. Let's unbox it. I got that from Amazon, approx 31,000, and I hear very good review about this Rode mic. The packaging is very bad actually. It's already opened. The seal is broken. I don't know why, but the seal is broken. I thought I will unblock the seal, but it's already broken. Someone already unboxed it already, I think. I didn't expect Amazon will send like that, but it's okay. So here is the device, RodeLink filmmaking wireless audio system. So in market that approx 50,000, but I got in 31,000 from Amazon. I hope it's working fine because it's all seals is already open. We got some user manual with it, and I'm sorry, I didn't put in the center actually. So that is the transmitter, you can see TX transmitter, and that is the receiver RX. So let's unbox this. Okay, so here it is. Here is the transmitter. No, that is the receiver, and here is the transmitter. When you buy too expensive thing and you have seen that it's already someone opened before, that's very bad feelings comes out. So we'll put everything on side, and here is the transmitter and the receiver, you can see. And okay, so I will show, that is very big in size actually, that approx of my hand, you can see the size of my hand. So you can see that is the, you can see that is the transmitter, the type TX in it. So that is the transmitter, and that one is the receiver. You can see here is a display on this side of the receiver, and there is a power button and channel changing button here on the side, and that is a mute button, and okay, and on this side you will get a very nice clip also in the transmitter, and here is a power button also included, and there is a display here, and you can also charge with the USB. Here is the USB, and okay, let's remove it. I don't know what is that, and you can remove it. There is a small screw also here, you can see there is a 2 screw, which is if you want to mount somewhere you can also mount, and you have to press here to take it down. You can see here is a 3-dimensional button, that is a 0 and plus 10 dub and plus 20 dub. So, and there is a linking button, the red color, you can see the red in color, that is a link button. You just press it and your transmitter and receiver will automatically communicate with each other, automatic link with each other. And you need a AA battery, not a AAA battery. Some websites also describe that AA battery is AAA battery is used in it, but that is a AA battery. You can see the size here, already written AA battery inside. And that is very nice clip. You can put if you want to put somewhere in your in your pant and somewhere in your jacket somewhere, so you can easily put. Here also you get same thing, the clip and the mount for the camera, and also for the tripod, so that you can move in any direction. And one more thing, we got one small pouch by Rode. I think there is a mic inside in it. Yeah, that is a one feather, the small feather, and that is the mic you will get, the lav mic, the collar mic you will get. That is very small. You can see the size of the mic. And people's in the review, I see in the videos that the people don't like this mic which is comes with it, because it's make too much noise when they close to the transmitter. So, and one more thing, we get the extra mount with it, and some screws, drivers, sorry, and we got one cable also for the receiver to the camera. And in next video I will show you how the quality of the audio is work with this transmitter and receiver, so you can judge if you want to buy or not. Thank you. And now I will on it together. You can see in the green light it started, and they start connecting each other. They are finding each other right now, and they automatically connected. You can see there is a volume button now. You can see if I tap here, if I tap the mic, you can see the volume is working there. So it's connected already, because they are now green inside 8. The 8th channel is connected. You can change your channel from here also. You can see the channel, and if you mute here, mute the red light, and the red light is automatic here also muted, you can see. So if you want to mute from the camera, you can mute, or if you want to mute from there, you can also mute. If you want to unmute, just tap here and it's unmuted, you can see. So how it's working. And you can attach 8 channels together with the one receiver. So that is very nice product, you must have it. And that is the cable, you can see that is the cable which is used in the receiver. You can see that one is used in receiver here. I will show you. Here you attach this cable, and this one is going into your camera. So I attach my transmitter, that is the transmitter. You can see I attach my mic with it, and that transmitter is attached with the receiver. How to attach the transmitter with the receiver, I will show you. Just click on press this button in the back, and take it slowly slide down, and you can see the red button here. Then just tap the red button and tap the red button on the receiver also, and you can see that they automatically sync with each other, and the recording the the RodeLink will start working. And you can see you can hear my voice, that is very clear, very nice. I just try in 100-meter away, and it's working fine. If you are a YouTuber, or if you want to interview some person, then that is very nice product to buy, and everyone must have that one. Quality is very nice, very big, bulky in size, but looking cool. That's look cool, and very nice. And if you like my video, then please like, share, and subscribe, and please comment if you have any question. Thank you. Have a nice day.